Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how to build a internal tool using Claude and Claude projects. We're going to do this live. I just had the idea to build something for my YouTube videos to write descriptions. And what you want to do is go in projects. You need the paid version for this. I'm on the professional plan. You can see we already have a bunch. And what we're going to do is press create project, give it a name, and then we're gonna, which I already did here, so we're gonna use this. And then you will want to set instructions. This is essentially the system prompt, which will just kind of steer the bot a certain way. You can get as fancy as you want here with the prompt. I usually start very simple and then I improve it over time. So most of these go through many iterations by testing results, seeing what happens. But let's do a role. You are a YouTube whatever expert. You know the best practices for YouTube video packaging. Task user right. We call it scroll stopping. I don't know. It's really not a scroll platform. It's called high CTR titles and meta descriptions. Use keywords. Keep short and concise. All right, so that's probably not all, but we can assume that Claude has inherent knowledge based off of the data that it has internally from the training, that it kind of knows what a good title and a good description is. But with this, we can steer it a certain way. And I changed it from just description to essentially packaging. So we'll change the name. I don't know. I guess thumbnail would also be packaging, but for now, let's go with this. And then what you can do is you can attach PDFs or other documents here. So if you have, let's say, a collection of titles that you like from YouTube videos that you've seen, that you've clicked on, or other kind of expert documents, you can attach them here. And from what I think how it works, it injects it into every chat, so you have it available. I think it works slightly differently than files for assistants, because those are more of a RAG, so they get vectorized and then they only get sometimes included, and a lot of times you'll have to say like, please use the knowledge that I provided to make it actually pull from there. I think that's a major challenge for these kind of apps. But let's start with nothing, because I don't have anything prepared, to be honest. I just wanted to get this started and thought I'd make it a video, because I am publishing a video myself and wanted to write a description. So what I have is I want to publish a video about, what was I looking at here? Okay, measuring, maybe let's do this. I downloaded the SRT file, so I'm just gonna upload that instead. I have a transcript. I downloaded this from Tela. I use that to make the videos. It's pretty good. Lets you download transcript and also very flexible when it comes to how the video is put together, but you can see my videos aren't amazing. So, all right, I have a transcript of a video I want to publish, and I need to package it. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to upload the SRT file. You can do a text file, whatever. Please help me. All right. Let's see what it gets out of the box. Okay, so it gives us a title, description, kind of a summary. I mean, it's not bad, it's not amazing, right? It's kind of generic, but I think it gets the job done. And I think for a first version, let's just try that, post it, and see what happens. We could go back and we could include something like, also give me thumbnail ideas for the videos. So if we update the instructions, then usually, let's see, if I mention thumbnail, definitely gonna do it, but I just want to see if it gets picked up immediately. Okay. So now it also includes thumbnails because I just mentioned it. All right, some hooks, questions. All right, thumbnail. All right, I can't really imagine how they look like, and I don't think it will do a good job generating, but it gives us ideas, right? And we can go in and we can refine, right? It's just a crutch. It's not really gonna do all the thinking for you, but it gives you a lot of ideas in terms of brainstorming. And one other thing that I built in a similar style is, and again, it's only going to be as good as you make the system prompt, essentially, right? What do we have here? We have a YouTube scriptwriter. I basically saw a YouTube video I went into Summus and it's just a summary tool. I transcribed the video into a summary, and then I took that summary and I put it into Claude as a file here. And here you can see something very similar. YouTube expert, create a script. So this is essentially for me to write a script and then always collect missing info. So in this tool, in this script file, there is inputs that we need in order to determine, what the thing is about, that are like best practices, and they are collected by the bot. So there's like a bit of a back and forth when you start writing with it, where it collects all the information necessary. Let's start, have a look. So it's like, what is the main topic? Who's your target audience? What type of video? And then it helps me write a script. Let's say going from 0 to 1,000 clicks in under 3 months. So let's say I want to make a video like this. Is it storytelling? I would say so, right? It's a story video. You can also go in and you can say like, what other video types exist? So we can ask, and then we'll go to the knowledge and we'll get the other types. And then we'll also use its own knowledge, right? Okay, so there's a lot of videos, but I think skills teaching. I think story is the most useful here. There's some hooks, more it's collecting based off of the instructions. Let's see. I have screenshots. It's a funeral speech AI tool that I can grow a new domain from scratch. So this is the insight. Do 1, 2, 3. It's a bit clearer. Right. So essentially, that gives me a complete script for a video, which I actually haven't tried because the script tool I just made, and I haven't made a video afterwards. But I'm definitely going to try it out, and I think these small tools are great ways to use projects for one, but then also just to have, Swiss Army knives. Sorry, not Swiss Army knives, like a Japanese chef's knife for certain workflows. And you don't have to write any code for it, right? Like I could build this myself, but why would I do that, right? So yeah, I hope this was interesting. If you need any help setting up your own tool, let me know and try it out. And let me know how it goes for you and what kind of stuff you're building with it. I'd be very interested to see if there's other use cases I haven't yet found myself. If any of this stuff sounds interesting to you, feel free to subscribe below. I think 90% of people aren't subscribed to my channel that watch my videos, which could be lower, would be better, but yeah. So feel free to do it. I'll see you next time. Cheers.